Welcome to Wake Up Just Sad Podcast. Hey. What are we talking about today?
Well, I wanted to do Deadpool Wolverine.
We could do that a little
We'll
bit.
do that later.
Para for those who haven't seen it, we shall give you time to watch it first.
So
You want to talk about this first? I haven't
sige.
read about this.
Well, we're gonna do the news, and then later, pagpatapos na. So if you want to get into the Deadpool Wolverine, if you've seen it, maybe you could forward. But I'm pretty sure
Everyone's
we
seen
might
it?
not even talk about it.
Probably not. No, we will. I'll set a timer. I'll set a timer. Jim, did you wanna do any?
Ano nga ba?
Did you do meditation today?
I did.
Okay.
I want to ask you pala.
What?
Ikaw kaya maglibreng kam? Kasi
Ikaw maglilibre ka.
so si Sab, meron kaming usapan at night na she gets a massage from me
Mhm.
if she meditates.
What a scam, because I didn't get a massage. Oh, you did. You
Yeah.
did. Yeah.
How was your first So Sab finally did my incredibly complex, tiring,
Nightly stretch.
but worth it nightly routine. So what I do nga, again, I put Vicks all over my body
I did not do that.
in parts unknown.
Parts. Bourdain yan.
So talagang Vicks everywhere.
Okay.
Like I just
Okay, Jim.
I-
I think we
I-
get what you're saying. Like
Yeah.
groin.
that would hurt. Pero ako, as in like, I just need to breathe Vicks.
Like it's all over your body.
Like if I'm not breathing Vicks, I feel like I'm not breathing.
I feel like Vicks can be a mood killer. Kasi I try to kiss Jim goodnight. Tas
Yun
biglang,
lang. Yun lang.
Ay, yun. He has Vicks like on top of his lip here under his nose.
So Vicks everywhere,
Inis.
and then we listen to Calm for a 10-minute meditation
Mhm.
while doing nighttime stretching.
Yeah. I did
So
it.
how kamusta?
It was good. I liked it. I needed it because of Coach Andre.
Oh.
Shout out. Sobrang I needed the stretches.
Na-feel mo naman, na-feel mo ba yung kaya ko gusto na while you're stretching, it is actually very meditative.
Yeah, it's actually good rin for someone with ADHD like me because it is hard to sit still when you're meditating. So at least you're listening to the meditation as you're stretching and moving
Were you
your body.
That's the thing, ha?
What?
Were you meditating on the stretch?
Are you criticizing my meditation?
Were you feeling the stretch as you were meditating?
What if I don't want to answer that?
Dapat ganun eh. Dapat
Hindi ko na po maalala, Your Honor.
you should focus on the sensation.
Okay.
Did you focus on the sensation?
Yes, I did. There's nothing else to focus on but the sensation.
Pero here's the thing. Yung mga ganda eh. Like, let's say naka-stretch ka. Tapos iniisip mo yung puwet mo or yung leg mo na may sensation, right?
Okay.
So whenever like you start thinking, oh shit, yari ako bukas. Oh shit, something. Hala, hindi ko pala, nakalimutan ko pala.
Hindi ko iniisip any of that. My gosh, no. Hindi ko, no, babe. I don't have anxiety.
Hindi ganun yung brain mo?
No.
So you can really just like...
Absolutely. I was really just like, oh, this feels really nice. This stretch is really nice.
That was your...
My
So can you...
That's all I was thinking about.
Really? Ganun
I was
yung-
not thinking about the next day.
Ganun lang yung...
Masyado nga akong relaxed. So sobrang hindi ako thinking about the next day. Hindi ko na plano yung paghatid sa mga bata kaninang umaga. So, ayun na naman, biglaan na naman lahat. Mga, tara. Yeah. So, yeah. But you know what? All good in the hood. Speaking of stretching, the Olympics is happening.
Okay.
And apparently, there's some Olympic beef going on.
Ah, really? But question though, saan pa pinapanood ng mga tao to? Nakakainis. I want to watch the basketball.
I don't know. I just saw Lady Gaga post yung
Where do people
routine
watch
ni Simone Biles.
Tanungin natin si Ali, si Mr. Illegal Streaming King.
Okay. So, of course, you know Simone Biles, right? My namesake. You don't know Simone Biles?
I'm sorry, I don't.
The Olympic gymnast who won a gold medal na sobrang everybody's wild in about her. Like, she won years ago.
Okay,
This girl.
okay.
So, the girls won and then they posted it on Instagram, and then Simone Biles captioned it, "Lack of talent, lazy Olympic champions," as she shared photos of her and her teammates beaming and holding up the American flag following their victory in Paris, July 30.
Okay.
So again, the US women gymnastics team won the Olympic gold medal. I may be
So, tapos
wearing
na.
a USA jacket, but I am Team Philippines, okay?
Sorry, wait. Tapos na?
Di ko alam. Anyway, so explain ko lang.
Okay.
So many fans thought her words were a dig at Michaela Skinner.
Okay.
You know who that is?
Manager ni Bieber?
That's Skinner Braun. Scooter Brown. Scooter Braun. The Taylor Swift hater.
Oh, yeah.
The non-Swiftie. Okay.
That's the loser.
Okay, again. So, si Michaela, am I saying it right? Like, is it Michaela? But it's spelled Michaela. Michaela Skinner. Let's call her Skinner. She's a former Olympic gymnast. She's 27. She apologized earlier in July after she questioned the talent and work ethic of this year's U.S. women's gymnastics competitors. Ooh, the possible subtext of Biles's caption didn't go unnoticed by people in the comments. USA gymnast Suni Lee wrote, "Put a finger down if Simone Biles just ended you." Biles' other teammate Jordan Childs also commented on her post, and that's on period. I love this. Snaps. I want to see kung ano yung actual quote ni Michaela. Ano ba to? Today.com. Konting ano naman,
Oo nga eh.
Ayan. What did Michaela Skinner say about the 2024 U.S. women's gymnastics team? In a now deleted YouTube video reacting to the gymnastics trials in July, sabi niya, "Besides Simone, I feel like the talent and depth just isn't like what it used to be," she said. I mean, obviously, a lot of girls don't work as hard. Oh. The girls just don't have the work ethic, Skinner said, and it's hard too because of safe sport. Like, coaches can't get on athletes and they have to be really careful what they say, which in some ways is really good. But at the same time, to get to where you need to be in gymnastics, you have to be, I feel like, a little aggressive and a little intense. That's like the same thinking as, I mean, for you guys who have seen Whiplash, like kind of coaching, diba? Na parang, some people think that that brings out the best, the whole aggressive, like, no, keep going, and apparently there are some boundaries set to protect the athletes. And so she's saying it's the same, honestly, it's the same vein as, grabe, hindi na pwede hindi na pwede manlandi ngayon, puro na lang kailangan magtanong ng consent, parang ganon. My gosh,
I guess
bakit naman ganon mag-isip? I mean, we're changing the world.
ako naman, parang okay, but her comment wasn't...
Ay, nag-apologize na pala siya. Okay.
And her comment wasn't that bad.
I mean, I guess it was more of, pwede mong komenta ng, edi wow.
Pwede ba? She's a former Olympic winner.
But how can you say, I feel like they don't work as hard? At sa nalo, o ano?
Okay, pero I mean, like, she didn't say, like, most probably, she's in the circle. So, she had experience. Siguro, she saw some girls that were, more assholey.
Hindi. I think it's more of, grabe nung panahon ko, sobrang...
But that's not what she said, though.
That's what she was saying. She was saying, the coaches before, during my time, were really, like, on me. And siguro nakita niya, mas chill yung girls ngayon. And it's like, well, see, it's doable. You don't have to...
Yeah. I guess, parang sana tong si Simone Biles.
She stood up for her team.
Yeah, she did. But sana lang, ewan ko, parang... Sana yun yung messaging niya.
So parang dapat positive, ganon.
No, not positive. Pero sana at least...
Yung itsura ko.
Sana it like, see,
Coordinator.
parang sana ang caption niya was like, hindi naman kailangan Tagalog. hindi, hindi naman na,
Simone Biles sa caption niya. Di naman kailangan magsiraan tayo dito eh.
pwede naman yung caption niya sana is like, just,
Buti nga sa'yo. Joke.
grinding can be different.
I mean, I feel like
Scooter Braun was right. Scooter Braun was right. This is Simone Biles' version.
Wali. I think my point ka dyan, pero I feel like
By the way, I have no skin in the game. I'm just trying to. I'm just.
no, yeah, I know. I know.
I'm
Just
defending Scooter
You're
Braun.
you're just trying to make conversation. Okay.
Okay.
Totoo ba to?
Mhm.
As na. Okay.
Okay.
You want to do this?
Question of the day first.
Question of the day. What is the etiquette in holding up the queue because the customers in front of you cannot decide on what to get yet and is calling someone else on what others want to order on loudspeaker? So, andun ka na, nasa harap ka na, tsaka mo palang tatawagan yung mga kasama mo.
Ako, in fairness, never pa nangyari sa akin yun. But is there ano?
Let's read, maybe there's more, may in-depth post. This was posted on bit.ly/podkids after party. Okay? Basahin ko Di ba okay lang naman iiwan muna siya nung nag-a-assist na sales girl to assist the person next in line who can already decide? Ha ha ha, kasi someone assisted me first when she could not decide yet. Tapos galit na galit tong si customer na di maka-decide. Tumalikod lang siya daw. Iniwan na siya. Dapat daw tinapos daw siya muna and hindi iniwan. Pero she had 3 different phone calls while making the sales girl and all of us in the queue wait. Some personal calls and some asking for her friends' orders. Petition na ituro ang consideration specifically sa queuing sa GMRC in
What's
the Philippines. Yung GMRC, yung moral conduct.
Okay.
And ang paggamit ng earphones sa stores, please. Hey. Definitely, if you're not ready, the etiquette is like, go ahead.
Yeah.
Like when I'm in
I
line and then I'm
wonder
not
where that
ready,
is.
you just go ahead. And then at least you're still in line. But
I wonder
let the
where that
people-
is. Is that like a fast food joint or?
Hindi ko alam Oo nga paano siya nakakapag-personal call sa... Ano nga na sa harap no na, anong order? O tapos, anong sabi ni Kemerlo?
Sa coffee shop daw madalas, pero hindi siya naka-phone call. Andun sa cafe yung mga order, pero nagtatanungan pag nasa counter na.
Hindi siya naka-phone call.
Hindi, talagang in fairness naman, hindi pa naman ako nagaganon. Mababaliw siguro ako pag ganon.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Sa cinema, ngayon,
So
kami ni Sab, kupal seating kami lagi.
not me. Hindi ko sinasali dyan.
So first of all, pro tip, when they tell you na these are the best seats in the house, don't listen to them.
Yeah.
Do
Agreed.
not. Eye level that is not eye level.
Yeah.
If Manny Tanglao tells you the best seats in the house,
Is letter E?
if gusto mong hindi manood ng movie and momol lang habol mo,
Okay lang yun?
go for the Manny seats.
Parang hindi. Dapat nga hindi dun kasi the closer you are to the scene, the brighter it is. So, dapat dun ka sa
hindi, pero
likod.
kung madilim yung movie, goods.
Like, ano yung madilim na movie? The Grudge, gano'n? Kumamol ka, tapos may...
Oppenheimer.
Sobrang...
Or The Batman. Oh. If the Batman... And dapat ang style ng momol seats is wait for the people to go in.
I've never seen anybody make out in the cinema. Thank the Lord.
Really?
I have never.
Really?
Yes, I have never.
Grabe.
Okay, flashbacks much?
No. I mean, grabe as in like, that was a thing.
It's not anymore.
It's not nga.
See, nobody understands. Guys, did you ever, come on, tell me the truth. People on playback, Did you ever make out in a cinema? Walang hiyaan dito. Or kiss?
Sobra naman ng kiss, sabi. I think everyone naman has kissed in a cinema. Like, kiss, like, hey, yay, movie.
Hindi, iba naman kasi ata yung momol talagang may
Kaya nga.
groping eh.
That's why iba ang kiss. Let's ano.
Oh, no. Uy, kumari pa kayo siya.
Holding hands
holding
talaga,
hands.
for sure,
Yes,
obviously.
not even kiss.
Sayang 500.
Ang tanong ko is, saang cinema napunta si Jim? For sure, Galleria yan, Jim, no? For sure, no? Tama ako, no?
Gali.
I think I have done that pala in Galleria.
Yuck.
Yuck!
Tang ina.
Double standard.
The fuck?
What movie? Naku, hindi ko maalala. Ano ata?
Cheaper by the dozen.
Ano ata?
Twilight.
Ano ata? Enteng Kabisote? Joke.
Hindi, dapat ano, well, nakakatawa. That's so awesome. I mean, that's so cool. Grabe, astig talaga ng Gen Z, which is what I wanted to segue to. Medyo mag-quick segue lang ako.
I love Gen Z. You know Gen Z? You think you just fell out of a coconut tree? You know what? Can we talk about that?
What?
Just quick lang. I don't know why people are finding that parang nalalabuan sila kay Kamala about you think you just fell out of a coconut tree? It made so much sense to me.
Yeah, which is, by the way, did you see, nakakatawa talaga to si Slow News Day.
Si Slow News Day.
Slow News Day.
Bakit?
War erupts in... And ito. Did you see Trump?
What?
So si Trump...
Baka fake news.
No. I watched it.
Okay. What is it?
So Trump was interviewed by... Watch it.
Go. Trump was
interviewed by a black... by Black Journalist Association or something.
Okay.
And he's super like... Look at it. Trump...
Latest news.
Yung interview. Yan, ito to.
This one?
Yung epic meltdown.
Oh my gosh.
Kahit let's listen to the start lang.
Okay.
I can't believe hindi that's pretty cool. Hindi na pala
An epic
movie house.
meltdown from the
Oh, I haven't seen
ex-president
that.
Let's forward.
Speaking that
To what he said. Okay.
Yeah.
Language to you, and will you
Ito.
tell those Republican
Okay.
Asian American
Okay, so the interview starts, okay?
woman to serve as vice president and be on a major party ticket as a DEI hire? Is that acceptable language to you? And will you tell those Republicans and those supporters to stop it?
How do you define DEI? Go ahead. How do you define it?
Diversity, equity, and inclusion.
Okay, yeah, go ahead. Is that what your definition?
That is
Give me a
literally the
definition
words
then. Would you give me a definition
DEI.
of that? Give me a definition of
Sir,
that.
I'm asking you a question,
No,
a
you
very
have to
direct
define
question.
it. Define it for me if you
I
would.
just defined it, sir. Do you believe that Vice President Kamala Harris is only on the ticket because she is a black woman?
Well, I can say, no, I think it's maybe a little bit different. So I've known her a long time indirectly, not directly very much. And she was always of Indian heritage, and she was only promoting Indian heritage. I didn't know she was black until a number of years ago when she happened to turn black, and now she wants to be known as black. So I don't know, is she Indian or is she black?
She has always
But you know
identified
what?
as a black woman.
I
She went to a
respect
historically
either
black
one.
college.
I respect either one, but she obviously doesn't, because she was Indian all the way, and then all of a sudden she made a turn and she became a black person.
Just to be clear, sir, do you believe
I
that she
think
is
somebody should look into that too when you continue in a very hostile, nasty tone.
It's a direct question, sir. Do you believe that Vice President Kamala Harris is a DEI hire, as some
I really
Republicans have
don't know.
said?
I mean, I really don't know. Could be.
Kasi ito,
amazing he's gotten
intro.
away with that.
Yung
Oh
intro,
my God.
yung intro.
Bakit?
What it is. Anybody
I-
that has a
Look for the intro. Ito.
As journalists, we use
Ito to.
from Nikki
Ito.
time, so let's bring out the former
Okay.
former President Donald Trump.
I'll make it big.
Thank you.
So yan.
Mr. President, we so appreciate you giving us an hour of your time. I want to start by addressing the elephant in the room, sir. A lot of people did not think it was appropriate for you to be here today. You have pushed false claims about some of your rivals, from Nikki Haley to former President Barack Obama, saying that they were not born in the United States, which is not true. You have told 4 congresswomen of color who were American citizens to go back to where they came from. You have used words like animal and rabid to describe black district attorneys. You've attacked black journalists, calling them a loser, saying the questions that they ask are, quote, stupid and racist. You've had dinner with a white supremacist at your Mar-a-Lago resort. So my question, sir, now that you are asking black supporters to vote for you, why should black voters trust you after you have used language like that?
Well, first of all, I don't think I've ever been asked a question in such a horrible manner. First question. You don't even say, hello, how are you? Are you with ABC? Because I think they're a fake news network, a terrible network. And I think it's disgraceful that I came here in good spirit. I love the black population of this country. I've done so much for the black population of this country, including employment, including opportunity zones with Senator Tim Scott of South Carolina, which is one of the greatest programs ever for black workers and black entrepreneurs. I've done so much, and and I say this, historically black colleges and universities were out of money, they were stone cold broke, and I saved them, and I gave them long-term financing, and nobody else was doing it. I think it's a very rude introduction. I don't know exactly why you would do something like that. And let me go a step further. I was invited here, and I was told my opponent, whether it was Biden or Kamala, I was told my opponent was going to be here. It turned out my opponent isn't here. You invited me under false pretense. And then you said, you can't do it with Zoom. Well, where's Zoom? She's going to do it with Zoom, and she's not coming. And then you were half an hour late. Just so we understand, I have too much respect for you to be late. They couldn't get their equipment working, or something
Mr.
was
President,
wrong.
I would love
I think
if you
it's
can
a
answer the
very
question
nasty
on your
question.
rhetoric and why you
I
believe
have
Pero in fairness naman,
Really?
I'm not being,
Stop sharing.
ang point ko lang is, medyo naman talaga si journalist, like, hindi siya super pro. Like, siya naman lang warm him up first, kasi that's the thing. She could have, obviously it's awful, that's why I'm showing it, and it's funny, right?
She's getting right to the point.
Gets ko naman.
I mean, you only have do you see how he rambles on?
Yeah.
I feel like she's like, we're gonna get right to it.
I know. Nakakatawa nga eh. I think she did, hopefully she did say.
Jim Bacaro, Trump apologist? Joke, sorry. Bakit mo inaano yung mga ha?
I'm just,
Huh?
I'm not.
Just kidding. My gosh. Grabe yun. That happened yesterday?
Yeah, I think so.
Gosh. I am in disbelief.
Mm.
Grabe. What is the word?
What were we talking before that?
People in line?
People in line.
Eh,
Gen Z.
Gen
So
Z.
ito. This is
Okay.
my quick thing.
Okay.
I know we like to tease I like joking about not knowing the Gen Z stuff.
Mm-hmm.
I think that's cool.
You're
Now,
okay.
my only plea
Mm-hmm.
is to my fellow millennials and millennial brands and whatever.
Millennial brands.
Yeah, parang let's not be boomers.
What does that mean?
Parang I feel like I feel like there's a shift going on. Na it's slowly becoming the millennials are becoming.
Nung panahon ko,
Nung
ganon?
panahon ko, nagiging hindi dapat ganyan. But it's true, especially for me, like as an employer, and I have dealt with issues, but I don't blame it. Parang for me, it's like I still believe that it's a personality thing that doesn't fit,
Mm-hmm.
and that it's about training and leadership and whatever, and you can't categorically like say that Gen Zs are blank.
Mm.
You know,
Mhm.
I mean, I think what you could say is that they live in a certain world where they are shaped and therefore must adapt to that world, right?
Mhm.
So, tayo as millennials, we're living in this world too.
Mm.
So we have to adjust also.
Mm.
'Di ba? So parang the same thing that we would say to boomers, like, yo, yeah, I know that's how things were done before.
Yeah.
But this is the world that I'm living in. So
Yeah.
when I was in going from job A, B, C, D, E, all the boomers were telling me, you leaving from job A to B to find your source of happiness
Mm.
is death.
Mhm.
Don't do it.
Mhm.
But for me, that was I felt like I was living in that world na my personal development, my personal satisfaction, my happiness equated to success.
Mhm.
So therefore I made those decisions.
Mhm.
Mahirap.
Mhm.
And now, right now, like parang I've had a bunch of hires that like after 2 days bounce.
No?
Yeah, oo.
Mm.
Oo naman.
yeah.
Like parang, and I'm like, okay, mukhang hindi fit.
Mm.
Right? But
Mhm.
so anyway, ang point ko is, I guess this is a plea. Now, even and I would like to remind myself that I don't want to become that way.
Mhm.
Even with our kids, right? Like I don't want us to become. Don't do it this way.
Yeah.
Another example, music making now.
Mm.
It's so hard for me to, parang it's so hard for me not to say like, Vito, parang don't use the tools that AI and all that shit has
Mhm.
made to make anyone, because it's really true, like parang anyone can use the tools now
Mhm.
and technically make a song,
Mhm.
right? You don't have to, like, during quote unquote our time,
Mm.
you'd have to have knowledge on music, scale, piano, whatever. Ngayon, literally, like, you could download an app and whatever. Nawala ako.
Yeah, you don't want to be like the people who are like, grabe, pwede na mag-upload ng mga kanta sa SoundCloud. Di na
Yung
kailangan
ganon.
magbigay sa mga radio stations.
Yeah.
Or
Or like the
Diba?
record labels. Actually,
Yeah.
the record labels are the exact, yun nga yung weird, no? Parang it's like the record labels, like I mean, aside from a few that, that hired younger people, pero there was a time like in 2012 when Cheats was starting.
Mhm.
12?
Ish.
Hindi. 10 years na ba tayo?
12.
2014. It's 2024, love.
11 years nga tayo, 2024.
Oh, hindi yung
2013.
2012, sabi.
Whatever. I don't know. Math, I don't know her.
Ang ganda. So yung Cheats nga, di ba? Nung time na yun, nalala mo yun, yung mga, dapat mag-sign kayo sa label namin. Hindi kami niniwala sa giving, doing this and that and doing this and that. And ako, for Cheats, like, lumalabas nga yung pagka-millennial ko na parang, honestly, like, I'm not a TikTok artist. Like, I make the music, I want to play live, that's all I want to do. Right? And sorry, pero that's my personal preference, right?
Yeah. I think yung one more thing that, oh my gosh, nawala ako. Hindi mo kasi ako ginawa ng kape. Hindi, I was thinking of something, but I didn't want to cut you off. But, nakalimutan ko na.
Nice.
Never mind.
Ay. Nice. Let's, here. Ito, mali bag of the day. So, I wanna do a quick disclaimer.
Okay.
I super love Mr. and Mrs. Smith. Please watch it on Amazon.
Okay.
Please, sabi tapusin mo.
Okay.
Ang sobrang ganda.
Okay.
Kasi
Wait, akala mo Deadpool tayo before the Malibag.
oo nga pala.
Sorry, we only have 10 minutes to
Oh
go.
no. Oh, next time na yung
Hindi
Deadpool.
na. Sige na. You can do it in 10 minutes. Let's go. Okay, so if you
Playbackers?
haven't seen Deadpool and Wolverine, you can drop off, and for those who are listening to the replay, you
I
can.
think this should be a separate episode na lang eh.
I don't think so.
I think, hindi ba?
Hindi na.
Okay, well,
Do you
Okay.
want to? Kasi next week pa yun. I think gusto mo nang pag-usapan ngayon.
ikaw.
Go game.
Okay, well,
Okay.
so playbackers, sorry if you may feel free to drop out.
Yes.
So again, join
Spoilers.
playback.tv/Jim and Sab to support the pod.
Okay.
You don't have to pay for anything, whatever. How did you, anong,
I loved it. I super enjoyed it.
Mm.
Start pa lang tawang-tawa na ako.
mm-mm.
Deadpool and Wolverine. I really liked it.
Incredibly funny.
Yeah.
Although,
Go ahead.
I think, I knew that Sab was having a great time
Mm.
because,
I kept lolling.
but one thing na you were doing, which was very millennial,
At the start.
and I had to call you out.
Yeah, at the start.
It was like totally destroying
Your experience?
my experience. You're funny. You're the funniest person I know. But when you repeat the jokes of the movie as it's happening,
I was whispering at the gym. Just in case you missed it, because it was so funny. And Jim was like, Sabi, tita, nagiging tita ka. ah." So I go, oh my God, I'm sorry.
so like for example, some like what the starting NSYNC, which I loved. I
Mm.
love that part.
Mm.
Sabi like NSYNC or something like that.
I didn't say
I
that.
know,
That's
I
OA
didn't-
naman yun.
or
Hindi
like
naman.
the proposal or like
I didn't do that.
I know, but
I was repeating it when he was yung talking
as he
really
was saying,
quickly.
like parang like something dog. Sab would go something dog. Okay, number 1.
That was at the start lang, and then I stopped. Okay.
Ako, as the movie itself was incredibly fun, super funny. I enjoyed the hell out of it.
Mhm.
I was very, very not. I wasn't excited though, because like the other day, like I saw someone who was like, "Oh my god, Deadpool!" That's all like gets
When it, we mean before you saw it?
so after.
After. It was so good.
Yeah. Pero I'm not gonna tell someone like, I'm not gonna say like, "Oh my god, cover."
Saya kaya.
Hindi. I'm not gonna say na it's a movie you have to watch.
I mean, why not? It's so fun. Ang daming mga fan service.
Hindi. Pero would you say na would you tell someone? Would it crack your top 10 movies of all time?
No.
Would it crack your top 20 movies of all time?
No.
Would it crack your
Stop
top...
it!
No, last. Just to filter. Just to filter. Hindi kita inaaway or hindi ko kinokontra yung opinion mo. I'm
but-
starting it out nga with the I
You
loved
know,
it.
But you know what, Jim? For me to recommend a movie, it doesn't have to be in my top 20 or my top 10. Especially now that we barely ever go to the cinema
Mhm.
because everything's just streaming, available on our TV. So, konti lang yung mga papanoorin mo sa cinema. Diba? So,
Uh-huh.
for Deadpool to be out and then like it's been a long time since we wanted to watch a Marvel movie. So it's a cause for, I feel like it's a cause for celebration, and like, you know that meme yung shh, let people enjoy themselves.
I'm not saying that we can't enjoy it. I'm just saying that well, number 1, like for me, like the a movie that defines like something you have to watch in the cinema is like Dune 2,
Mm,
diba?
yeah.
Like itong Deadpool, the way it was like so entertaining.
Ah, yeah.
But again, I could have watched it on Disney Plus.
That's true.
Like I mean,
But I really enjoyed watching it on.
siguro
in the
nagjijirit
cinema.
ako kay Sean Levy. Like I don't know.
Why?
Wala lang, parang relax.
Bakit ka naiinis? Hindi ko mag-get.
Ah.
Ako, sobrang happy ko lang for them na parang wala lang, parang they were able to do this.
But again, sorry, James Mangold's Logan kasi was like, that was like,
You are so annoying.
that was in my, like ako, I would say that's in like my top 30 movies.
Yeah, it's a really good movie. And
That's
I
in
like
my-
it nga that this one poked fun at the whole like time travel. Parang they were doing it. Parang Parang, grabe na tong multiverse thing. Like, they were saying it. Like, they were
I
self-aware
wish
of that.
I wish they did that. Okay, game.
Aha.
And which I enjoyed. I'm saying I loved it. Nakakatawa siya.
Mm.
It was entertaining.
Mhm.
But I wish na by doing that, it actually did reset the universe.
You were saying something about that. Can you explain more about that?
Sana nga na parang, I just wish na it was so fun, they were making fun of it. Sana nga it was a one big ender
Mhm.
for the whole thing.
Especially because everyone's gonna watch Deadpool and Wolverine.
Yeah,
diba?
parang end it na. And
Ah.
end the Sony thing and the let's create. And then kaya nga for me like this whole Doctor Doom, Robert Downey thing is
Yeah.
ewan ko, really?
Yeah.
Parang kaya I kept thinking about it. Bakit ba after Endgame flop? Right?
Because it's not the Russo brothers.
No,
Russo.
well,
how you say it?
I think
Russo.
more of when I really thought about it, naisip ko, the reason why all those Avengers movies worked was because even as fans, when we watched Captain America, when we watched Winter Soldier, everything was at stake in that movie, and it felt like that, right?
Mhm.
As opposed to what they tried to do with the Phase 2 of Marvel, which is everyone is
Which one is phase 2?
after Endgame.
Phase 2 pa lang yun?
Sorry, let's not call it.
Is that like
I'm just
phase Oh.
that's my definition.
Mhm.
After Endgame. So after Endgame, they tried to build a new thing, right? Like they tried to make Ant-Man the main guy, Winter Soldier. Tapos they linagay pa nila in
Disney Plus.
Disney Plus. So with the intent of na you could smell it. You could smell.
They just wanted to do a
you,
Netflix
you could
thing.
smell
huh?
the marketing na we need to build new characters para maka-Avengers tayo kasi yun yung box office hit.
Yeah.
Yun yung kadiri. Doon ako nandidiri. Kaya parang kaya nga nakakainis yung mga yung the ones that hated on
Which one?
Ryan Johnson's Last Jedi. Where he tried to break the cycle. Na it's
Yeah.
not a Skywalker thing
I like
anymore.
that.
Let's try to move on. The
I like
lore
that.
is changing, diba?
I like that.
I loved it, diba? So,
The
but
Last Jedi is the last one.
it is the second one.
After...
The third one was the Wale one.
Wait. Si ano yung... Okay. I really like The Last Jedi, yeah.
Yeah, diba?
Yeah.
The Mark Hamill one.
Mhm.
So,
I actually liked all of the new ones.
even yung Rise.
I mean, Rise is the first one of the new one.
The third one.
I liked it. Yeah, fight me. I liked it. I liked it all. Like everyone's like, dapat kasi dapat grabe, sobrang ano. I was like, just shut the fuck up. You just don't want the woman, okay? I loved it, okay?
Yeah.
Rey, come on. When she got the lightsaber, woo!
Yeah. So anyway, ang point ko na lang, I guess what I want to say is like,
Dapat kasi, dapat yung, sino kasi? Ito kasi si Ryan Johnson.
Hoy,
Sabi.
sabi.
Dapat kasi nireboot yung multiverse. Tapos dapat, ito kasi si Kang sexual abuse kasi.
Si Kang diba got dropped. Loser.
And
Sama
then-
pa ng acting niya dun sa saan siya?
Yeah.
Saan siya? Strange.
And he was in a bunch. He was in Strange. He was in
Baduy.
Quantumania. Baduy ni Jonathan Majors. Baduy. Even in Creed 3, Baduy. Anyway.
I liked him in one movie. I don't remember which one. The first Creed?
He was
No, the second Creed.
he was in the,
The third.
That's
No.
what I was saying. He was only in
I
one
liked
Creed.
him there.
You liked him there?
I think so.
Ito pala, another thing that medyo fight me.
Ano?
Hindi pa medyo corny si Michael B. Jordan?
Medyo corny siya. Pero okay lang sa akin. Feeling. Ako yung okay lang.
Ito, playbacker.
Medyo corny siya for me, pero okay lang sa akin.
Medyo corny siya.
Pero parang okay lang sa akin.
Hindi, here, sorry. He was good in Fruitvale.
Fruitvale ba yung title na?
Fruitvale Station or something?
Yeah.
He's good in Fruitvale. He was good in The Wire as a kid.
Yeah.
Medyo in Chronicle, okay siya. Pero parang from that point on, parang like in Black Panther, I don't know why everyone was saying like, Killmonger.
You know what the
He
funny...
was kind of like, I'm a bad guy.
Killmonger. The
I'm
funny,
I'm a bad guy.
you know the best
like, parang,
meme that I saw?
you don't have to say that you're a bad guy.
Parang Marvel doesn't know about like black culture na lahat ng characters nila has that one hairstyle. Lahat ng characters nila, even sa Star Wars, like that thing, that dreads thing with the
Oh my god.
and it's so funny because it's true. Killmonger.
Actually, so anyway, I just want to end with Deadpool. Like na teary-eyed nga ako nung end credits about yung sa
Yeah.
X-Men. But the thing is,
Naiimo ako
ito yung hindi ko gets, which I just got lost in the entertainment of it, and maybe you could explain it.
Okay.
I didn't see it as I didn't understand how this was a send-off. Logan was so kasi I was confused eh. Parang it ended with Logan being in Earth 616, right?
Mm-mm.
In the timeline of
mm-mm.
in Earth 616. So
You mean this yung dinala na lang
the sacred timeline, the main.
yung dinala na lang ibang Wolverine.
yeah, is now in
See the
this-
worst Wolverine.
The worst
is now,
Wolverine is now in the sacred timeline. Kaya ganun ba? So dinala siya doon, and that therefore killed with Logan. That killed na that timeline.
Yeah, I guess and you know what, Jim, I know exactly what you're talking about. This whole multiverse thing. It just makes it
Non
Ano na, parang-
inconsequential.
okay, pag namatay pala, pwede naman kumuha ng
Yeah.
iba. Parang ganun.
Yeah.
I think that's what's like, okay.
And for me, that's why I guess struggled to enjoy it, is because Logan's death, Iron Man's death
Mm.
were like the milestones of this universe.
Mm.
Right? Para for each universe pala, sorry.
Yeah.
For the kasi sabi na I super duper love the Bryan Singer, sorry, pedophile. The Bryan Singer X-Men, like super duper love those movies. And Logan dying in James Mangold's Logan was like the cinematic cherry or whatever, that big milestone there.
Mm.
Tapos in Iron Man's I Am Iron Man
Mm.
in Endgame was like that for that. So why not just cut end na?
Yeah. Yeah. Any other thoughts? Multiverse stories, if not done well, diminishes the concept of consequences. Exactly.
Yeah.
That's exactly what we're saying.
Which is
Thank
what
you, B.
happened. Pero tingnan mo, bakit ang Days of Future Past ang ganda?
Ganda.
Sobrang ganda
Ganda.
ng Days of Future Past.
Ganda ng Days of Future Past. I could rewatch that.
I could rewatch that a million times.
I could rewatch that. Anyway, talking about Deadpool and Wolverine, stand out funny stuff for you. Gambit for sure.
Gambit.
Johnny.
Oh yeah, the flame on.
He's gonna say it. Avengers, flame on.
Ang ganda. Sobrang ganda.
So good.
That was so good.
Oh my god, that was so good.
Flame on. Sino pa?
Do
you know that Ryan Reynolds was in Blade?
He was in Blade?
Yeah, Blade 3.
I didn't know that.
He was.
Oh.
And medyo parang Deadpool yung character
But
niya.
there's only gonna be one Blade.
I like
Who's gonna play the new one? Mahershala Ali.
yeah. I like the bad the
See, you know who that is? She played Princess Diana in The Crown.
I really
Yeah, I
Galing
only
niya.
realized it after.
nakakatawa si I love the choice of Elektra. Ano nga
Sorry
eh,
about Daredevil. It's okay.
ang ganda.
Si Gambit talaga eh.
Gambit.
Wala ka maintindihan. Oh my God.
Ang ganda.
Yeah.
Pero ang ganda ng action scenes. Actually, now that we're talking about it,
Oh my gosh, sorry if you haven't seen it. Stop it. Get out of here. Okay, anyway. All right.
ako naman, now that we're talking about it,
What? Ano?
I'm kind of loving it again.
I love it so much. The Void.
I did love it naman talaga eh. I had so much fun. I think I just wanted to shut my brain off. I was thinking kasi na this will fix the Marvel thing.
Yeah.
Maybe that's not what it was intended for.
And I think is it a fact that the stuff in the Void are like the flop movies? Like because Ant-Man is there.
Baka.
And then I don't know. Yun na yung napansin ko na parang, oh, I think it's the movies that kind of didn't do so well.
Yeah.
I mean, kaya rin dun sila Electra, andun
Ah.
sila, di ba? Pero si Blade naman, hindi naman.
Oo nga.
Pero, I don't know.
Yeah.
What's the reasoning? Why was X23 there pala?
And X23, bumalik siya sa Earth 616 ba? Hindi yan?
Hindi ko alam kung
Then,
bakit siya nasa The Void.
Was X23 at...
Binalik siya, hindi. Hindi siya binalik. Andun, naiwan na siya sa The Void.
Naiwan siya.
Ah.
Wala. They didn't explain it.
Okay.
So probably like the TVA just got her. Or hindi nga confirmed if... Ay, hindi. Yun nga. That's her, diba?
Yeah, that's her. Anyway, I gotta go.
Anyway.
Bye, Pod. Jim, you can stay on.
Okay.
Tama ba?
Ano ba?
What time did we start? I don't know. But anyway, I gotta go. I'm gonna pick up the kids. Thanks, guys, for joining us. Sorry, yung gulo. We're gonna finalize our schedule for next week. And I hope you join us every day.
Yeah.
Right?